Excuse me? Good evening, sir. Ready to order? Before that, hypothetically, what's your dishwashing policy? Excuse me? Do restaurants still make people wash dishes if they can't pay? I was thinking of treating myself. Really? Do you have a problem with the menu?
No, the menu is great. My bank account is the issue.
Excuse me?
You're washing dishes for 2 hours. I just want it noted, this pasta was worth it.
You still think this was a good idea? Absolutely. I came hungry, I left employed. You're unbelievable. No, I'm unforgettable. There's a difference.